O.T.T is actually an acronym for the words over the top. O.T.T actually refers to a tactic we use in digital marketing to serve a video ad to someone on a big screen TV actually in their household. O.T.T definition being over the top refers to a set-top box, like a cable box that you would have where you can do streaming on your television. That set-top box is where it got its name from a deliverability standpoint, but it also refers to a similar acronym you'll hear called CTV, which is connected TV. CTV refers to a connected TV like a Samsung or a Roku TV. So it's a smart television that has the apps on it. You watch something on Hulu and you get streamed an ad. That's what O.T.T is. What's great about it is it allows us to avoid all of the waste in a television buy. Before, you would buy broadcast television and your signal might go out 60 miles, but your foot traffic around your store or car dealership or whatever may only come within 5, 10, 15 miles. So why pay for all of that waste? We can actually target people with a lot of recency. We can target people by loading a list of customers from a database and only serve ads to those people on that list who stream programs. It's a great way to get a beautiful big screen impression of your ad in front of a captive audience without any kind of waste.